look at this, it's Pikachu, wow. And this TV is from the stickers I put it. Wow, look at this, wow. Look, they have brown colors, yellow, look. Wow, black ears, wow. It's so cool. Watch this. And wow, look at that. Oh, this is the battery from the lights. Yeah, the cheeks. Pikachu. And you know what power she have? She got Rumble. This is called Thunderbolts. Yeah, he got Thunderbolts and tackle and a lot of powers. And let's put it right here. And wow, look at the tiny Pikachu. And it's so cute. Wow, look at this thing. So cool. Look at this wobble. Wow, and look at its cute little face, cute little ears. It's from the big one too. But they don't have like the big little buttons. Oops, Pikachu fell. Oops. That's small because never mind. Oh, look at this. Wow. She had a tiny little hands. Oops. Ow, this Pikachu. Put sticky glue. Now look at this. Wow, the costume Pikachu. It's cool from I don't know. Wow. Look, they have a spike here, no spike, but here they have a spike, no spike here. And look at this, wow. Oh, the costume is so nice. Oh, I even can see the tail because you know it is. You see, zigzag, and this shot, and then a pointy. Oh, so cute. Wow. And look at this, it's so cute. Pikachu, 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 Pikachu. And look at this, Pikachu again. Wow, and look at this. Ear one is down like this. And then I want to shut. And the wiggly woggly tail. What is this, Pikachu? Look at this. Oops, I think they're painting it's white wall and they come out and here they have yellow color. This one is okay, but it's so cute. Look at this. Wow. Look at it. Ooh. And look at it. Say hello. Oh, now it goes. Inside, look at this side. This side is Pikachu. Wow. Oh, how many Pikachu? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 Pikachu. Let's check it out. Wow. We have. Oh, what's this name? This is part 2, right? I want to say pencil, but this is not even pencil. Pencil is green. This is blue. It's almost like ash white, but it's blue too. Maybe it's like I don't know. And look, it's white color. His face is white color, and his mouth is white color, and his mouth is white color. Bad Pokemon. Sit. I mean sit, not stand. Never mind. And look. His face is blue and like penguin. And it's so cute. And that's skin. And wow, nice cave. And look at this cave. Ooh, maybe this is the bum bum. Oh, this is funny. And look at his eye. His eye black, and his hair is blue. Here, can you see? See, big eyes. Come on, big eyes. Now you can see it. Wow, look at it. Let's put it right because it was so cute. And look, it's a nurse Pokemon. Wow. And say hello to like this. Pikachu. And she got a nose pet and come out. Come out. Come on, Pokemon, came out. And can you see the eyes? It's really red. Can you see? Can you see it? It's so big. I even can see like this is red. And she got one halfway is red, another halfway is yellow, and the bottom all this is yellow. The body is yellow, and this is like a cape. Wow, the back is red. She's yellow. Let's put it here. And thank you everybody, and welcome to see a Treasure Ones. And say bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, bye bye, pika pika, bye bye.